Want to access the largest NFT marketplace while using your Crypto.com wallet? In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Crypto.com DeFi wallet to OpenSea. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Linking your wallet to OpenSea expands your NFT trading opportunities while keeping your assets secure in your Crypto.com wallet. You'll need the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app for this process. Open the DeFi wallet and navigate to the settings to find your wallet address. On OpenSea's website, click the wallet icon and select Crypto.com DeFi wallet from the options. You may need to use Wallet Connect for the connection. Authorize the connection in your DeFi wallet app. Once connected, you can view your NFTs on OpenSea and interact with their full marketplace features. A crucial pro tip: only connect your wallet to trusted platforms like OpenSea. Never share your seed phrase, and regularly review connected apps in your wallet settings. Consider using a dedicated hot wallet for marketplace interactions while keeping your valuable assets in cold storage. And just like that, you've bridged your Crypto.com ecosystem with the world's largest NFT marketplace. Linking to OpenSea gives you access to millions more NFTs and buyers. Do you prefer Crypto.com's native marketplace or OpenSea for your NFT trading? Why? Share your preference below. For payment flexibility, subscribe for our next video on how to pay Crypto.com NFT with crypto. Thanks for watching.